हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आरजी स्टूडियो चैनल में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है। मेरा नाम राहुल है, मैं एक टीचर हूँ। इस वीडियो में मैं आपको इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज के इम्पोर्टेंट मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस की जानकारी देने जा रहा हूँ, जो कि विभिन्न कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम जैसे कि फॉरेन लैंग्वेज के एंट्रेंस एग्जाम होते हैं, बीए फॉरेन लैंग्वेज के लिए, एमए इंटीग्रेटेड फॉरेन लैंग्वेज के लिए, जो कि दोनों यूनिवर्सिटी, जवाहरलाल नेहरू यूनिवर्सिटी दिल्ली, EFL इंग्लिश एंड फॉरेन लैंग्वेज यूनिवर्सिटी हैदराबाद, नेशनल फायर सर्विस कॉलेज नागपुर के सब ऑफिसर एंट्रेंस एग्जाम, मोरारजी देसाई नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ योगा दिल्ली के डिप्लोमा इन योगा साइंस एंट्रेंस एग्जाम, CET, ET, TET और अदर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम जिसमें कि इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज से संबंधित क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, उन सभी के लिए वीडियो बहुत अधिक उपयोगी है। और जो कैंडिडेट्स विभिन्न कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स की तैयारी कर रहे हैं और इसके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन के PDF नोट्स लेना चाहते हैं, ऑनलाइन कोचिंग ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं, वो 9411513974 पे व्हाट्सअप कर सकते हैं। और कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स की तैयारी के लिए एक व्हाट्सअप ग्रुप बना रखा है, जिसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब अवश्य कर लें ताकि इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन के वीडियो मिलते रहें और विभिन्न जॉब्स और एडमिशंस के लिए जो नए अपडेट्स आते हैं उसकी जानकारी मिलती रहे। वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और कमेंट जरूर कीजिएगा। पहला क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे, कैंडिडेट्स मस्ट डैश द जनरल कंडीशंस फॉर एडमिशन। कैंडिडेट्स मस्ट डैश द जनरल कंडीशंस फॉर एडमिशन। तो यहाँ पे जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ये भरना है। ऑप्शन दे रखे हैं A डू, B प्रिपेयर, C सेटिस्फाई, D क्रिएट। करेक्ट आंसर है C सेटिस्फाई। कैंडिडेट्स मस्ट सेटिस्फाई द जनरल कंडीशंस फॉर एडमिशन। इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन है, अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन सेंटेंस सेटिस्फाई इज द करेक्ट वर्ड टू फिल द ब्लैंक। सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन सेंटेंस सेटिस्फाई इज द करेक्ट word to fill the blank. Candidates must satisfy the general conditions for admission. Next question, he resorts dash sharp practice in his dealings. He resorts dash sharp practice in his dealings. Options है A at, B 2, C in, D 4. Correct answer है option B 2. He resorts to sharp practice in his dealings. इसका explanation है, here preposition to is used. Preposition to is used to indicate the place, person or thing that someone or something moves toward or the direction of something. So he resorts to sharp practice in his dealings. This is the correct answer. Next question, dash English is an international language. Option A no article, B the, C A, D N. Correct answer है no article. So no article should be used here. English is an international language. Its explanation is, no article is used before the names of languages. So no article is used before the names of languages. Here English is a language, so here no article will be used. English is an international language is the correct answer. Next question, the word industrious means. What is the word industrious means? A working in industry, B labor in factory, C hard working, D laid back. Correct answer option C hard working. Its explanation is, the word industrious means always working hard, so option C is correct answer. Option C is correct answer. Next question, choose the correct order to make the sentence below meaningful. Here words are given and we need to choose the correct order to make the sentence meaningful. Words are first where, second these, third pupil, 4 almost, fifth A, 6 majority, 7 of, 8 days, 9 a watch. So correct order is 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 1, 9, 2, 8. It's correct answer. Correct sentence will be, here its explanation is, to make the meaningful sentence the correct sequence is 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 1, 9, 2, 8 and the sentence formed is almost. First sentence is 4, that is almost. Second sentence is 5th, that is A. Third sentence is 6, that is majority. Fourth sentence is 7, that is of. Fifth sentence is 3, that is pupil. Sixth sentence is 1, sixth word is 1, that is where. Seventh word is 9, that is a watch. Eighth sentence is 2, that is these. Ninth word is 8, that is days. So correct sentence is almost a majority of people wear a watch these days. Almost a majority of people wear a watch these days is the correct answer according to the options given below. Next question is, select the word closest is meaning to mortal. We need to select the word closest in meaning to mortal. Options are A. Recurrent, B. Trivial, C. Fatal, D. Eternal. Correct answer is option C. Fatal. Its explanation is the word closest in meaning to the word mortal is fatal. The word closest in meaning to the word mortal is fatal, as both the words have same meaning, that is that cannot live forever and must die. Mortal and fatal means that cannot live forever and must die. Next question is mark the word with the correct spelling. We need to find out the correct spelling word. Options are A. maintenance, maintenance, B. maintenance, C. mantannance, D. maintenance. We need to tell the correct spelling of maintenance. So correct spelled word is maintenance, that is maintenance. Next question is the coach insisted that Ronaldo dash the center position even though he is too short for that position. Use the correct verb. We need to choose the correct verb here. Option A play, option B played, option C plays, option D none of these. Correct answers would be the coach insisted that Ronaldo play the center. Ronaldo plays the play the center position even though he is too short for that position. Its explanation is here play is the correct form of verb to fill the given blanks. The verb in subjunctive mood is always in present tense without the letter S. So this is a very important question. Here plays plays is not used. The correct verb that is used is play. The coach insisted that Ronaldo play the center position even though he is too short for that position. I am giving its explanation again. Here play is the correct form of verb. Play is the correct form of verb to fill the given blanks. The verb in some subjunctive mood. Here is the verb is in subjunctive mood, is always in present tense without the letter S. So here the verb is in subjunctive mood, so it should be play without the letter S, that is plays. Next question is dash kind of Scotland saw dash spider trying to climb up to dash ceiling of the cave. Use articles. Sentence is dash kind of Scotland saw dash spider trying to climb up to dash ceiling of the cave. Use here we need to use the articles. So correct answer is option A, that is da, comma a, comma da. Sentence should be the kind of Scotland saw a spider trying to climb up to the ceiling of the cave. Its explanation is here King of Scotland is definite. So this is the kind, King of Scotland. Here King of Scotland is definite, so the is used before king. This is kind, not kind, but this is king, king. So here King of Scotland is definite, so the is used before king. Article da should be used before king. The word spider is starts with consonant letter. Word spider starts with consonant letter and its initial sound is also consonant, so A is used before it and up to is followed by the. Hence the correct set of article is given in option A, the. Correct sentence should be the King of Scotland saw a spider trying to climb up to the ceiling of the cave. Next question, Raja realizes not only Chinese dash continental food. Use appropriate conjunction. Here we need to use appropriate conjunction. Raja realizes not only Chinese dash continental food. Options are A also, B but, C but also, D rather. Correct answer is option C but also. Raja realizes not only Chinese but also continental food. Its explanation is the appropriate conjunction to fill the given blank is but also, not only. But also is a correlative conjunction that are used in pairs in order to show the relationship. Next question is, you must learn dash English every day to improve it. Use appropriate determiner. Option A few, B a little, C a lot of, D none of these. Correct answer is option B a little. You must learn a little English every day to improve it. Its explanation is, according to the given sentence, the determiner a little is used for the given blank. A little means not much but some. Means of a little is not much but some. So you must learn a little English every day to improve it is the correct sentence. Next question, arrange the jumbled words to form a meaningful sentence. We need to arrange the jumbled words to form a meaningful sentence. Here words are most, oblique inventor, oblique word, oblique Thomas, oblique Alva, oblique Edison, oblique the, oblique in, oblique is, oblique remarkable, oblique the. Correct options are given. A, the remarkable inventor in the most word is Thomas Alva Edison. B, Thomas Alva Edison is the most remarkable inventor in the word. C, is the most remarkable inventor in the word Thomas Alva Edison. D, in the word most remarkable inventor is Thomas Alva Edison. Correct answer should be Thomas Alva Edison is the most remarkable inventor in the word. Explanation is, the meaningful sentence of the given jumbled words is Thomas Alva Edison is the most remarkable inventor in the world. In this video, I have given 12 important questions regarding the entrance exam for various competitive exams like foreign language entrance exam of Doon University, JNU, English and Foreign Language Institute, Hyderabad, National Fire Service College, Nagpur, Sub Officer Entrance Exam, Morarji Desai National Institute of Yoga, Delhi, Diploma in Yoga Science Entrance Exam, CTET, TET, and other competitive exams in which questions comes from English language. For important question PDF notes and online coaching, you can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.